models may be of different types, but the particular type of model that we will be discussing in this course are the mathematical models. So mathematical models are those models that can be expressed in mathematical form.
A mathematical model may be understood as a simplified form of explaining a complex world using the power of observation, imagination, and intuition. The observations, imaginations, and intuitions are expressed in the form of variables, symbols, and equations. In writing an equation, the rule that is generally followed is to express variables in capital letters and constants, coefficients, or parameters are expressed in small letters or symbols. English alphabets, uppercase or lowercase, are generally used to express economic situations mathematically. Symbols are also used that are actually Greek alphabets. You are already familiar with the English alphabets. Are you familiar with the Greek alphabets? Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, Epsilon, Zeta, Eta, Theta, Iota, Kappa, Lambda, Mu, Nu, Xi, Omicron, Pi, Rho, Sigma, Tau, Epsilon, Phi, Chi, Psi, Omega. So the next time you see any of the strange looking symbols in mathematical models, you don't have to panic. Now you know they are just letters.